Well, what is up, guys? We are back here at Auto Illusions. If you guys saw the video where I was here and I put vodka while she had a completely empty tank, it was a very interesting video. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it up here or in the description, and you should watch that before you watch these videos. Then we did an update video on what's actually going on with the truck, what's wrong with it, and we figured out that the starter was definitely bad. We didn't know if that was the definitive problem. Since then, they've gotten a new starter in the truck, and she cranks like crazy apparently, but she won't start. And they don't want to try it for too long because they don't want to burn out that new starter. But I'm gonna jump in the truck. I'm gonna try it out. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna go get some fuel, get it in the gas tank, mix it with the vodka, and see if she runs just fine after that. Okay, so they got a new starter in there, and they're telling me it cranks up just fine, but it'll sputter, and it won't start. The vodka is not enough. But we're gonna try it out here. Oh, dude, it almost started. Did it do that for you, Vince? No. Dude. I guess vodka is enough. Yeah, I haven't put any fuel in it yet. I just went and got fuel, but it's not in there. No one's gonna believe me. They're gonna be like, oh, see, it died. Oh man, it smells interesting. Whew. I think I have the magic touch here. They weren't able to start it. Come on, man. All right, well, let's... I want to drive it on vodka. Damn it. So you guys couldn't get it to start at all?
No. All we do is crank. I didn't want to burn up that pretty new starter.
Right. That makes sense. I'm gonna put some fuel in there and then see if she starts up and she runs just fine. And if she does, I'll drive her around a little bit, and then we're gonna try something else in a separate video. Yeah, she smells bad. Jesus. Fuel. All right, so we still have 1 gallon of vodka in there. So let's see how she does now. It's probably gonna take a little while because it's all vodka at the moment in the fuel pump and so on. So here we go. Oh, look at that, she's running just fine now.
Can't kill it.
She's unbreakable. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah, still too much vodka in there. Now she's kind of running like she did the first time we did the vodka experiment a few years ago. But there was some fuel left in the tank at the time. Damn, it smells bad in here. So we have this big truck in front of us. We can't get it out of the shop. Once I can get out of the shop, we'll take it out on the road and drive it and properly mix the gasoline and the vodka and everything. And then, not today, but soon again, we're gonna run her out of completely fuel and we're gonna try something else. And obviously I can't demonstrate this on video, but those exhaust fumes, they smell so different. Man, that is weird. Phew. All right, so Mike's moving the GMC out of the way so we can start this back up and get her out of here. Look at that. Still a little sputtery. There's no more gangster truck in the country than my Danger Ranger. 1994. She's not too happy. We're gonna pull her out back again because I want her to idle and like not die. Like it feels like she's about to do now. The fuel needle is still like way down. Oh God, the life of a vlogger. Do everything with one arm. No power steering pump. Man, she's running just fine now. This truck is hard. Look at this smoke coming out of this thing. See? She sputtered a little bit, but she keeps on running though. She probably likes it that we have new oil in there as well. It's not vegetable oil in the motor anymore. Hold on, I'm gonna get her to level ground. Oh, whoa! Alright, let's try to get some more fuel in her. Maybe that's what it is. Shut up. Alright, well, we'll get some more fuel in her.
I know this truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford fucking Ranger.
It's probably half a gallon. It pours so damn slowly. It's boring. What the hell? Come on, man. We're gonna take it for a drive. If I run out of fuel, at least we have some extra fuel. And the vodka should be like siphoning out now, I guess. I mean, she's had tequila in the gas tank. 2 different type of vodkas. Red Bull. She's back to normal. Look at this. I think. Ah, come on. There we go. I feel like she's gonna die. I keep trying to keep my hopes up, but I don't know. I don't know, man. Third gear is rough, man. She's acting weird and struggling. She never struggles this much up this hill in 3rd gear. Oh, come on, man. Oh, damn it. She's like dying. Hopefully she's just running out of fuel, but she should be running longer than this. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby, up this hill. Come on, baby. Oh, crap. Come on, let's go. No. Oh, she's coming back to life. Let's go. Oh, look at her. The unbeatable, non-killable 1994 Ford Ranger, aka Danger Ranger. I thought we were gonna die in the hill there. I thought we were dying in the hill there. Ah, it smells weird, man. Something's happening. I should probably try to get some more fuel in her real quick. There we go. Yeah, I can actually see that the needle moved a teeny weeny bit from the fuel we get in there. We should be fine now. Burn out. Yeah! Oh, chirp is 2nd gear. What? What a beast she is. Love it. We're in 5th gear. We're cruising, doing 65. My favorite vehicle I've ever owned in my whole life is this right here. Even more than a Ferrari. All right, so we've driven 7 miles now. We're almost back at the shop. She is really, really low on fuel, which is part of the plan, of course, for the next experiment. But we gotta make it back to the shop first though, and this is like a main road here. I don't wanna run out of gas here, because that would suck. It'd be very embarrassing. See, now she's starting to do this weird sputtering again. Come on, man. Let's go. Oh, there she goes. She purrs back up. Come on, stupid red light. Made it back to the shop. Thank God. All right, she's back to her original position. Dude, I'm so happy that this truck is still running. I really thought, what the hell? After that last, just dropping stuff everywhere. After that last vodka video, I thought that was it. I've thought that a couple times before, but I really thought it this time. But man, she is still running. I love this thing. We've had it for, I mean, how long now? 4 years? And tons of videos? She's just the best. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's upload. We know she's back up and running, she's alive, and we got more videos coming, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did you think she was gonna be able to get back up and running? Or did you guys think that she was done forever? Let me know. I'll see you soon.